Zimbabwean opposition figure Job Sikala has issued a passionate denouncement of the regime's alleged propaganda and human rights violations. In response to claims made by Minister Jenfan Muswere, Job Sikala assessed that he did not breach any bail conditions and refused the label of regime change entrepreneur, emphasizing his commitment to opposing oppression. He denies ever calling for sanctions, attributing such acts to the current regime. Job Sikala employs an end to repression, human rights abuses, lawfare and recalls of elected representatives while condemning abductions and false accusations against political opponents. He calls for a cessation of violence, disruptions, repressive legislation and corruption, advocating for freedom and happiness for the people of Zimbabwe. Job Sikala concludes by aligning himself with the liberation agenda and the masses, dismissing anything else as drama. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.